In this video, we'll see an SQL interview question and how recursive CTEs help us to solve this. The question goes like this. We have an input table and it has two columns, page number and recipe titles. The nature of the data is something like this. The recipe titles will have two kinds of titles, main dish title and additive titles. How can we know which is main dish and which is additives is, if it is present in even page number, it is main dish title, and immediate odd number contains the recipe of additives to the main dish recipe that is present in immediate previous even number. The expected output is like this. You should have three columns where the first column contains only the even numbers starting from 0 and the max value of the page number present in this input table. This should also contains the missing even numbers. For example, 6 and 10. 6 and 10 is not present here. Now, if we see 0, its main dish title should come here. Since it doesn't have any immediate odd page, it should be left blank. Now, 2 is the main dish title. The immediate odd number has a title, so it should go under additive section. So this is the expected output. Try to first solve this problem without using a recursive CTEs, so to actually appreciate the solution. And this is the complete solution if you want to see it in one go. Now let's try to understand this chunk by chunk. First, I have set up data in a table menu. For solution, I will have to start by addressing what would I do for these missing page numbers that are not present in this input table. I would have to somehow generate those two values like 6, 10 or any of the missing pages. So what I would do is, first I will try to get a superset of page numbers starting from 0 to the max value that is present in a table menu. What am I using here? I am using recursive CTEs to generate those sequence of page numbers starting from 0 to 14, also including the missing page numbers. Once I have this superset of page numbers, what I can do is I can further segregate even page numbers and odd page numbers. That is what I am doing here. Now what I am trying to do is I will use this superset of numbers and I will try to join this superset of numbers with the table menu with the page numbers, and if I want to figure out if it is even or odd, I will use this logic. This logic for even page titles equal to 0, and for odd page titles the remainder should be equal to 1. Now I have the segregated data. The next part is to achieve this, the connection. Here what I am trying to do is these even page titles and odd page titles, I am connecting them using left join. Why left join? Because even page title is the superset among these two, and I will have the page numbers from even page titles and the recipes, main dish recipe from even page title, and its connected additive recipe should come from odd page title. But how do I establish the connection? Through this. This connection will be established with this on condition. That's all for this video. In my next video, I'll try to make one more SQL interview question using recursive CTEs. Thank you.